Hey guys, it's Simon here from One Desktop again. We are doing another video with the latest Windows 10 Mobile Insider preview. It's now build 10581 and yeah, the build is very stable now. You can really use it from day to day with your daily work and everything. And yeah, the build has been released a few days ago, so we are doing here a hands-on and a bit of first impressions of the latest Windows 10 Mobile Insider Preview build, so stay tuned to see my impressions. Okay, so here we are, and first of all we will start of course with the lock screen. Microsoft has released back in the Windows Phone 8.1 times a lock screen app which brought an awesome lock screen experience to Windows Phone 8.1. Unfortunately the app was a bit laggy and yeah, it wasn't very useful from day to day. It was a nice experience if you just wanted to try something new, but you couldn't really use it every day. On Windows 10 Mobile, there won't probably come a new lock screen experience with the final version of Windows Phone, Windows 10 Mobile. At first, maybe Microsoft will bring this with a later update. However, lock screen experience, yeah, that was always such a problem with the lock appearing on the lock screen. As you can see, if you now unlock your phone, it's immediately here, so there isn't a problem anymore. However, if you swipe up to the bin and you say, yeah, no, I don't want to unlock my phone now, and swipe back down, it takes still a while to unlock until the clock appears. So this seems to be a very hard problem to solve for Microsoft, since this is really a good build now, and yeah, this problem is still here. So yeah, there seems to be a very deep integrated feature, and yeah, maybe Microsoft just takes some time for them to fix that. However, as you can see, the home screen here, I'll just change the transparency of my tiles so that you can have a look at my start screen and can see the icons better. Therefore, we head to settings, personalizations, and start, and there we can set the transparency, as you can see in the preview here also, so that you can just see it better. That might be enough. So let's get back, and it takes a bit to load, but here we are with my new lock screen. Yeah, let's just choose another color. That doesn't look good on the phone. You can see it in the personalization options here also, so maybe it's good that I'm doing that in a video. That might be a good color. Yeah, that's good, I guess. Okay, you should be able to see everything. Um, yeah, that's it. What are we getting with the latest build? So of course there have been included a lot of bug fixes. As you can see, you can just yeah, it's great now. The experience is awesome. One thing you have to know, the upgrade bug which was there in the earlier builds has now been fixed with this one here. So you can directly upgrade to this build from any other Windows 10 mobile inside our preview build. So this is great to have there. Another thing which I want to show you, which is now working. I mean, it's not fully working for me yet. I don't know why, but you can normally you can use Hey Cortana now. It's still displayed a bit weird if you launch the app, but you can now. So as you can see, here's Hey Cortana, and you can train her to listen to you. And very nice here, as you can see, the design color is now more often to see in Windows 10 Mobile, so it's great to have it here. this now screen design color which I've just set. I can show you how you can train Cortana. Sometimes it still takes a bit, I think, until the new, yeah, no. Hey Cortana, as you can see, somehow Cortana isn't listening to me. I can say hey Cortana as often as I want. Hey Cortana, hey Cortana. Hey. So as you can see, she just didn't catch that, and she's saying that all the time. So I'm not sure what's wrong with that. But yeah, we will see. Maybe it just needs an update from the store. There isn't one yet here, so I won't be able to show you a fixed version probably. Yeah, but that's Hey Cortana. Actually, it's here, and for most of the devices, it should be working. I have to admit that I haven't done a clean installation of Windows 10 Mobile yet. So I've just upgraded from the previous build to this build, like a normal user would do it. And yeah, there it's probably a bit more buggy than if you do a clean installation. But I can do a clean installation and do another impression video. Next of what I want to show you, and while I'm heading through the settings, keep an eye on the fluency of the operating system, how fast everything is working. What I wanted to show you is offline maps. In offline maps, which is now, as you might know, in settings and not in the apps app anymore, you can just choose where your maps are saved. This isn't totally new, but I thought I'll just show you that feature because it's really nice to have this here, especially on lower end devices where you need a micro SD card. Next off, yeah, just what I want to show you here in the Maps app. It's actually an app from the app. It's an update from the app itself, not from the operating system. But you can now here in favorites, you can just set your car location, and after you're going back to your car, you can just ask your phone where it is and get directed to it. That's very great. If you do have a car, I don't have one, but yeah, there are surely some Windows 10 mobile users out there which do have a car. However, next off, if you have watched my previous videos of Windows 10 mobile, you might know that this is my bright orange Nokia Lumia 930, which I've got from Microsoft Austria. And obviously it does have German firmware on it, and Germany does have the Cortana already. However, I've set the phone always to English United States so that you can understand what I'm talking about and can see it on a phone. And then I wasn't able to download the English United States speech files, and that's finally possible. So it doesn't give you an error anymore if you download a speech language. Just downloads it, installs it, and afterwards you can just use Cortana. That's very great to have it here. As you can see, you can also set a speed of talking. So if you're just a bit slower, just set the speed down, and you can, like in Windows Phone 8.1, set to recognize non-native accents for this language. So we can have a quick look at Cortana. As you can see, it doesn't take too long to launch. I hope you can see something here. I might just display, put it here, the phone like that. It's a very clean and nice design here. You're getting dips here, for example. What's I very like that a lot, because who keeps in mind all that stuff what you can call Cortana or what you can ask her. There you can just learn it from time to time. You can have a look on the tips from time to time, and then you can just look through the list what you can ask her and all that. I'll just try to set a reminder. Set a reminder for tomorrow.
I'll create a reminder.
Okay, so
What's on your mind?
exam and programming
All right. At what time?
at 10 a.m.
All right. Remind you to Exxon in programming.
Cancel.
At 10 a.m. tomorrow. Sound good?
Cancel. Cancel.
Okay, I canceled that reminder.
Okay, so as you can see, Cortana is working here fine. I don't know why the Hey Cortana feature isn't completely working all yet in my build, but as I've told you already, it might be the upgrade which I've done. So Cortana is working fine in this build. It's great to have the speech files finally, so that I can use Cortana. If Cortana doesn't support your country yet, Windows 10 Mobile, um, Windows 10 Mobile has a nice Bing search implemented. I might turn off location for a second, and then Cortana shouldn't be working. So as you can see now, she asks to give her permission for the location, and I gave her permission already, of course, but you have to turn on the location settings, and I'm a person, I have always turned them off, and now I have always to turn off location in order to use Cortana. That's a bit annoying, but now we can just have a look at the Bing search, and as you can see, it's not that bad. It does look like Cortana from the what at least the design. And you do have the Bing image of the day and popular now, so nothing too special, but it's great to have it. And it's actually usable, so you don't really have to use Cortana in order to get a great experience here. And yeah, apart from that, there's actually not much to show you. It's I can just say it one more time. It's really great experience now. Um, Personalization options are totally awesome, according to my opinion. Can tiled pictures. You can set tiled picture. Um, can set show more tiles. There are even shown more now on my home screen since I've turned on the phablet. Um, the phablet um, displaying of apps and all that stuff. I can just show you where you can do that. You might have been wondering why I do have 5 quick actions here. That's also a phablet exclusive feature actually. And also the multitasking screen with 2 rows is a phablet exclusive feature, but I can just show you that. You can go to all settings, and in system I think it was display. There you can just set size of text, apps and items on this display. Default is 300% as you can see, and it also says recommended. If you choose to set 250, you get some of the phablet features but not all of them. But you can still use your phone, and it's not displayed too small. If you go to 225, I won't recommend you that because you won't be able to really use your phone anymore, but you will have completely all phablet features then. So it's a matter of taste. I'm totally happy with the 250%, just to cancel here. And that's Lumia 930, so the percentage will be displayed differently on different devices. Just have a look at the zooming, if it's working, or focusing. Yeah, it's working. Okay. So the percentage will be displayed differently on your phone, but you can just go to the middle, to the left, or to the right. Yeah, that's another cool feature which has been added with an earlier build already, and it's nice to have it here. I like the phablet like experience here on my 930. Yeah, but um, yeah, that's it. That's the latest build, 10581. It was a quick video with my first impressions. As I've told you already, it's a great experience now on the phone. I like it a lot. It's awesome. It's very fluent. The new design is great. I do have a second Lumia 930 with Windows Phone 8.1, and it just looks so old school compared to Windows 10 Mobile. I won't go back to the old operating system. It's awesome, and I like the um, design language, the unique design language which I do have now on my tablet, my Surface Pro 3, my desktop PC with the Windows 10, and my phone with Windows 10. So that's awesome. Yeah, you can just drop me some comments below with your suggestions, what you want to see about the latest Windows 10 Mobile Insider preview. If there is anything I've not shown you, yeah, just let me know. Subscribe to our channel, and yeah, maybe you have a look at our website where we are publishing some posts on a regular basis and give you some more information about what we are talking here. Yeah, so just stay tuned and check out my next video. Thanks for watching.